Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to day 22 of this 30 days of yoga series. Like the element water, which effortlessly adapts to its surroundings, we will be doing asanas where we'll transition seamlessly between strengthening and stretching to build strength and flexibility both in our body as well as in our mind. So we're going to begin this session by sitting in any comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight. Hands come to rest on our thighs or drop it to the floor, whatever is comfortable for you. Now raise your shoulders towards your ears. As you inhale through your nose, as you exhale through your mouth, slowly drop your shoulders down. We're going to maintain this length or distance between our ear and shoulder. Again, inhale, raise your shoulders up. Now hold your breath in. Just pausing there. 1, 2, exhale, and you can close your eyes. One more time. Inhale through your nose. Pause. And very slowly exhale through your nose. Drop your shoulders down. Stay here, breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. Noticing different sensations in your body. Slowly drop your chin to your chest. Inhale, slowly look up. And now start drawing small circles in the air with the tip of your nose. And 3. Anti-clockwise 3. You can keep a soft gaze if you don't want to close your eyes. And 1. Now breathe in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Breathe out, palms come in front of you. Again, inhale. Breath in, you want, drop your head back. Gaze towards your fingertips. Breathe out. And down. Last one. Breath in, reach up. Breathe out. And down. Now come onto your knees and palms. Knees beneath your hips. Palms beneath your shoulders. Arch your back. Chin, chest, gaze forward. Breathe out. Pull your navel in. Round your back. Again, breath in. Arch. Now as you breathe out, pull and round. Press your toes into the mat. Send your seat up towards the ceiling. Knees bent. Feel a nice stretch in your shoulders. Inhale. As you exhale, drop your heels and see if you can straighten your knees. Now again, breathe in. Raise your heels. Shift your weight forward. Breathe out. Drop your knees, seat directly over your knees. I'm not resting my knees here, just hover. You're going to feel your core engaged. 2, 1, push your seat back. Arms in line with your ears. Nice stretch in your shoulder. Drop your feet, straighten your knees. Raise. Pull that navel in, chest in. Reach forward. Bend the knee, drop, hover. If this is too much, you can always rest. Push back. 1, raise, navel in, like you're pulling your rib cage in, and forward. Back, up to you. You want to hover. If you're hovering, bring your seat over your knees. Push your seat back. Drop your heels, straighten. You want to bend your right knee, straighten your left. From here, pull, hover, high plank. Drop your knees. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send this back. Shake your knees out. 2, 1. Knees wide. Bring your big toes to touch. Send your seat back. Reach your hands forward. Forehead comes on the mat. Breathe in. Completely breathe out, letting your chest collapse further into the mat. Inhale and exhale. Now walk your hands to the right side of the mat. Stack your palms one over the other. Bring your forehead to rest. Inhale and exhale. And 1. From here, send your hands forward. Knees come beneath your seat. Send your seat up towards the ceiling. Reach your hands forward. Anahata Asana. Completely exhale. Very important that you're not pressing your chest towards the mat. You're just exhaling and letting your chest relax. Moving closer towards the mat. And 1. Slowly come up. Open your knees nice and wide. Drop your hands. Stack your palms one over the other. Send your seat towards your heel. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. And 1. Back to center. Press your toes into the mat. Knees come off the mat. Shake your legs out here. If you need to, widen your legs. Heels towards the mat. Again. From here, raise both your heels. Bend your knee. Take it all the way here. Draw big circles. 1, 2, and 3. Step between your palms. Stay as low as you can towards the mat. Inhale, reach your hands up. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. From here, you're going to drop your hands. Left hand towards the mat. Right hand up towards the ceiling. Straighten your knee. It's like a wide Parivritta Trikonasana. Breathe out, down. You need to adjust your back leg, the crown of the head, towards your knee. Inhale and exhale. Hands wide. Bend that knee. Send this right leg crossing at your thighs. Fallen triangle. Reach your left hand up. See that you're not collapsing into that. Push and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Continue to keep your right leg on the outside. Your left foot. Drop your knees. Crossed at your ankle. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. If you need to adjust your legs. Breathe in. As you breathe out, belly towards your thigh, forehead towards your knee. 2. Completely exhale. Just stretching here, letting go. Inhale. Come up. Reach your hands up. Drop it down. Shift your weight. Release your knees. Shake your legs out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Raise. This time, left leg up towards the ceiling. Bend your knee. Take it all the way here. Draw big circles. 1, 2. Just whatever is possible. and 3. Step between your palms. Inhale, reach up. And 1, drop your hands down, stretch, and then straighten your knee. 2, 1, drop it down. Adjust your back leg if you need to. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Left leg inside, reach and stretch. You fall in triangle. 3, 2. You can look forward towards the mat or towards the ceiling, whatever works for you. Drop your hand back. Your left leg stays on the outside of your right. Drop your knees. Walk your hands, sit back. Gomukhasana. Inhale, up. Breathe out, fold forward. Slowly roll up. Release your legs. Come to the center of your mat. Hug your knees towards your chest. 1 big breath in. Completely breathe out. Open your legs wide. Arms like the letter T. And simply drop your knees to your right. Back to center. Towards your left. Again, center. And right. Matsyakridasana. Drop your right legs to the right. Place your right leg on your left thigh. Turn and look towards the other side. One, if you can, slide that leg deeper, like one thigh crossed over the other, and see if you can drop both your knees to one side. Turn and look. Supta Matsyakridasana. Take long, deep breaths in. Completely breathe out. Up, release that leg. This time, drop your legs to the other side. Stack your left over the right. Turn and look towards the right side. You're going to stay here for 2 or 3 breaths. See that you're not placing it on your knee. Remember to rest your ankle on your thigh. And 1. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Move this leg further. Turn and look towards your right fingertips. One, release. Bring your knees to touch. Relax your lower back. Breathe in and breathe out. Now straighten your left leg. Come to lying on your side. Right knee deeply bent. Whichever side is comfortable. Generally when we sleep, suppose we are side sleepers, one side feels more comfortable than the other. Do that. You won't bend your elbows. Keep it straight. Just come down to resting. Taking a deep breath in. As you exhale, just letting go, sinking deeper into the mat. With each inhalation, invite calmness. And with each exhalation, just letting go, sinking deeper into relaxation. Keep inhaling and exhaling through your nose. With each inhalation, invite a little bit of calmness. And with each exhalation, just letting go a little more, sinking deeper into relaxation. If you have time, stay here for as long as you feel like. Slowly roll over to your back. Come up to sitting. Sit tall, keeping your back straight. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video was helpful to you or somebody you know, please share. Namaste.